In today's fast-paced digital world, videos aren't just an option, they're a necessity for businesses. Whether it's marketing, customer engagement, or training, the right video can boost your brand and amplify your message. But let's be real, who has the time to be editing videos all day? Creating professional videos has never been easier, thanks to AI-powered tools that do the heavy lifting for you. We'll break down the pros and cons, highlight the standout features, and help you figure out which one is the perfect fit for your business. Whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned pro, this video has something for everyone. So if you're ready to unlock the power of AI video and take your business to the next level, then stick around, hit that subscribe button, and let's get started. First up, we have sᴜභsᴄʀɪévᴇ, a game changer for creating top-notch instructional videos and guides. Think of it as your secret weapon for onboarding new employees, providing stellar customer support, or developing engaging training materials. You can literally record your screen, add annotations, and boom, you've got yourself a professional-grade video in minutes. No need for complicated editing software or hours spent tweaking transitions. sᴜභsᴄʀɪévᴇ also lets you create interactive elements within your videos, boosting engagement. Plus, you get detailed analytics on who's watching and which parts are resonating the most. If you're serious about creating high-impact instructional videos without the headache, sᴜභsᴄʀɪévᴇ is definitely worth checking out. It's powerful, user-friendly, and might just become your go-to tool for all things training and onboarding. Trust me, this is huge for boosting engagement and making sure your message actually sticks. Next up, we're talking Veed.io, all about accessibility and global reach. Veed.io, AI-powered captioning and transcription features eliminate barriers. It generates accurate captions and transcripts for your videos. Seamless translation into multiple languages reaches a global audience. Just upload your video and the AI does the rest. Captions and transcripts boost your SEO, make your content accessible, and boost discoverability. Veed.io is a must-have for impactful, inclusive video content. It's like having a universal translator for your videos. In today's globalized world, that's a game changer. Chapter 3, Lumen 5, Transforming Words into Engaging Visual Stories. Lumen 5 is the AI-powered platform that transforms your written content into visually stunning videos. It has an intuitive drag-and-drop interface, pre-built templates, and customization options. Lumen 5's AI engine analyzes your text and suggests relevant images, videos, and music tracks. You don't need any design or video editing experience to create professional-looking videos. Perfect for marketers, entrepreneurs, educators, or anyone who wants to repurpose their written content. With Lumen 5, you can transform your blog posts, articles, and social media updates into captivating visual stories. If you're looking for a quick and easy way to turn your written content into eye-catching videos, Lumen 5 is definitely worth a try. It's user-friendly, affordable, and might just become your secret weapon for content repurposing and audience engagement. Chapter 4, Pictory, Turning Long-Form Content into Social Media Gold. Pictory is a game changer for anyone creating long-form video content. It identifies key moments, creating short shareable clips. Pictory's AI analyzes content, identifies key points, and transcribes audio. Adds subtitles, captions, brand elements, music, and voiceovers. Transform old webinars into engaging social media snippets. Share your clips seamlessly on all platforms. Unlock the potential of your long-form content with Pictory, turn lengthy videos into social media gold, and watch your engagement soar. Chapter 5, InVideo, Your Secret Weapon for Professional Voiceovers. InVideo makes adding voiceovers easy and affordable. Choose from a vast library of AI voices or upload your own recordings. InVideo's AI voices are realistic and expressive. Fine-tune pitch, speed, and tone to match your brand. InVideo offers templates, transitions, effects, and collaboration. Create professional videos for social media, marketing, or training. InVideo is user-friendly. No prior experience needed. Take your videos to the next level with InVideo. Embrace the power of AI for voiceovers. There you have it, the top AI video generators for businesses, each with unique features to elevate your video strategy. Whether you're creating training videos, social media clips, or marketing campaigns, these tools will save you time and deliver stunning results. We've covered a lot of ground today, from creating engaging tutorials to transforming written content into visual masterpieces. But the most important takeaway is this: AI is changing the video creation game, making it more accessible and achievable for businesses of all sizes. So which one will you try first? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more business tips.